Hi. Before I demonstrate how to use our product, I'd like to bring up some important points first. Chin strap is designed to stabilize the jaw in a forward position and at the same time keep your mouth closed. Therefore, by design, chin strap is for mouth snorers. It is not for sleep apnea. Also, please don't use the chin strap if you have a nasal obstruction or simply have difficulty breathing through your nose. We've upgraded our neoprene material and redesigned the hook to make it attach to the strap directly, which means it really can fit most of head sizes for either man or woman. We've also added mesh holes to help with heat dissipation. Chin strap is non-invasive, but not necessarily the most comfortable solution. It may take some tweaking to get used to it. Also, we recommend replacing it quarterly given its usage nature. Again, chin strap works most effective for mouth snorers. However, it may require some trial and error to get the best results. But the bottom line is, we're in business to bring value to our customers. If our chin strap doesn't work for you for whatever reason, feel free to return it. Your purchase with us is always risk-free.
It had gotten to the point where my wife and I weren't able to sleep in the same bedroom consistently.
I had to keep pushing or kicking, waking him up. And after he would wake up, maybe there were 10 minutes or 15 minutes before he would start snoring again. And I would hope I would fall asleep during that time, but if I didn't, it just made for a long night.
One time I remember my wife brought in a recording.
I said, listen to this. And he was like, what is that? Is it some animal? No, it's you. You're snoring. He couldn't believe it.
There's an undercurrent probably of resentment.
It would make me crazy. And then you would start to just get irritated. Sometimes I would lay in bed and think, why doesn't he just start out in the other room tonight? Because I don't want to be bothered by this. Sorry.
And now with Z Quiet, having come around that's no longer a problem at all.
I finally can sleep through the night, and he doesn't have to get up and go into the other room to sleep. We have been married now for 21 years, and today is our anniversary, and we are very happy now, sleeping through the night together in the same bed.